Meaning of Francis Crick.
Francis Crick.
Francis Crick.
Francis Crick.
Francis Crick. Francis Crick was an English molecular biologist and neuroscientist who was born on June 8, 1916, and passed away on July 28, 2004. He is best known for his work in co-discovering the structure of DNA, along with James Watson and Maurice Wilkins, for which they were awarded the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1962. Their discovery revolutionized the field of molecular biology and laid the foundation for new developments in genetics, biotechnology, and medicine. Crick also made important contributions to the study of the brain and consciousness, particularly in the area of neural development and coding.